Hello everyone, Mr. Allen again for our golden ticket assembly. Yes, it's that time of the week again when we're handing out our golden tickets to all those amazing children throughout school. We're starting this morning, obviously you can see it's Friday the 16th of October in nursery reception year 1, year 2 and SRB. So this morning we obviously have 2 children in nursery who have won a golden ticket, and they are a child was a little unsure of nursery to begin with, but now he is happy, confident and always says hello and checks in with a thumbs up every morning. Really good to see, big thumbs up and a big smile. Also, the other child always tries her best and is keen to please. She listens well, chats happily about things that interest her. And the winners are Archie and Nyla Rose. There they are, look. There, look at that big smile. I said about Archie's big smile there. Nyla as well, brilliant little face there as well. Superb, superb. Really great start. Well done to nursery. I'll be bringing these around this morning for you with some treats as well to share at home with your family tonight. So really well done, you two. Huge congratulations and look after your golden tickets. Moving on to reception, here we go. Turtle class, look at this child. Has impressed all the reception staff from the beginning. He's always listening carefully when we are doing our learning and is always a kind friend. Well done for being such a super role model in Turtle class. And I always say that about being a kind friend, being a superb role model to everyone else. Turtle golden ticket goes to Oliver. There he is. Absolutely amazing, Oliver. Thank you so much. You are a lovely, lovely boy. Huge congratulations, well deserved. Doing your writing there superbly. So really well done. Huge congratulations. And I'll bring this round for you later on. Well done. Moving on, shark class, here we go. Our golden ticket winner this week is for her fantastic handwriting, maths and sound work. Absolutely, and I've actually seen her fantastic writing, and we're going to see it a bit here as well because she's written her name beautifully. Alinka! There she is, look at that, big smile, and look at this. Absolutely amazing handwriting, joining up. Beautiful, beautiful writing, and then even doing her numbers there. Really well deserved, Alinka. Enjoy this, and maybe you could share your treats with your sister as well. So huge congratulations, well done. Moving on to year 1, here we go. Miss Marshall's class. This child has won the golden ticket this week because she has blossomed. She's been listening carefully and taking part, and now that hard work has paid off. I've seen an improvement in her reading, writing and maths in the last few weeks. Really well done, because it's all of that hard work, never giving up, finding your inner animal. It's everything Mr. Allen's asking for. And the golden ticket goes to Eliza. There she is, look at her, absolutely brilliant. Well done, Eliza, huge congratulations, hon. Working steadily, and getting there. That's why you've won this golden ticket. It's amazing, amazing work. So really well done, and I'm really proud of you. Congratulations, and I'll be bringing this around with your treats as well soon. Moving on, here we go, Miss Begum. This person is good at listening, following instructions, and tries their hardest with their learning. They share their ideas during classroom discussions. They're a kind and helpful friend to others. I could ask of no more. Golden ticket goes to Anna Maria. Anna Maria, and also always a really big smile on her face. Always helping Mr. Allen as well whenever I need any help, and working so hard. Fantastic, look at that. Amazing handwriting and that drawing and painting she's done. Superb, Anna Maria. Really well deserved, hun. Congratulations, and enjoy your treats as well. Moving on, year 2, here we go. Look, Miss Halkins' child has been working really hard, following instructions and progressing really well in maths. She has read 5 times per week and has 100% attendance and not missed a day since the start of school. Well done and well deserved to Esme. There she is, Esme, look at her, look. Not only is she won the golden ticket this week, but last week she became school council. You can see she's proudly wearing her school council badge there, doing her bit for school, sharing the load, all helping out. Really well deserved, hun. And again, maybe you could share your treats with your sisters as well. So well done, hun. Really proud of you. Congratulations. Moving on to Mrs. Cook's class. Here we go. It's simple, quite simply, super hard working and always ready to learn. It is Esma! Well done, hun. There she is. Look, coming into, she really is a super hard worker, always ready to learn. Really well deserved, hun, because you are like that every single minute of the day. Huge congratulations. And again, enjoy your treats, and maybe you can share them with your little sister as well. Who knows? I'll leave that to you, okay? Really well done. Congratulations. Finally, in the SRB, look at this child here. He has been working very hard to make his writing and maths the best it can be. He is also getting much better at reading using his great phonics skills. He really is. This boy has been working so hard in the SRB. I am really proud of him. And it goes to Rocco! There he is, look at this. Look, trying hard to succeed. Amazing at phonics and 100% attendance. Rocco, I am so proud of you, buddy. You so deserve this. You work so hard, and every time I'm going into the SRB and I see you, you've always got your head down and working hard, and always proud to show me your work. Huge congratulations, buddy. Well done, and enjoy your treats. Fantastic. Finally, thank you everyone for sharing the load this week. That's what Mr. Allen was asking basically on Monday. Please help out, share the load. All of these golden ticket winners have. If it's not you this week, have a look at them, copy them, and try and share the load as well. Try and really help out in the classroom, at lunchtimes, out on the playground. Please continue to help out, just like all of these children have done. Finally, please, everyone, do take care, stay safe, and see you all on Monday. Bye-bye now.